guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is B.fleye Beauty, and today we're gonna do spooky look number 3. This one is inspired by vampires. It is probably the most simple look out of everything. I'm gonna use one eyeliner and hopefully just one shadow. Right now I have my skin prepped, I have my eye base on. I'm gonna zoom you in so we can get going. I am going to be using the Power Pencil in Warm Brown by Cosmetics. I actually wanted to use black. I cannot find my black eyeliner. That is so weird. As a makeup artist, I should have one everywhere really, and I cannot find it. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to use this as a creamy base, and I'm gonna do this on the inner corner and the outer corner at the bottom. And then we're gonna just buff it in a little bit. I did go ahead and put eyeshadow base at the bottom lash line. What I'm going for. So I'm gonna go ahead and buff this in with a pencil brush. So we're gonna do a little buffy buff. And I figured it would give it a little bit of a darker base to go with the red so that when the red thins out, it doesn't look as pink. And the red I'm gonna use is actually not a really pinky base red. It's like the most beautiful, perfect red. But I wanna do everything in my power to keep that from happening. And then I can clean it up with concealer and all the rest of my face makeup. So I'm going to use the Sweet Shop, the BH Cosmetics Sweet Shop Cherry on Top palette. So I actually might use a little bit of this before I go in with the shimmer, but the shimmer is killer. Oh, it's so beautiful. So yeah, actually I'm gonna dip into Sprinkles, which is that deep matte red here at the bottom. You guys, these palettes are amazing. If you can get your hands on them, stunning, stunning, stunning. So especially on that outer corner, I really want that to look kind of sharp. So we'll get there with the concealer. Right now, I just want to build the color, and then we can clean up the shape after the fact. So this is gonna look a little bit on the berry side, which is fine for now. Once we get that shimmer on top, it'll be fine. It'll be more red. All right, so we're gonna leave this part clear and this part clear, except for my smeary finger, so we'll have to clean that off. All right, now we're gonna go into Black Cherry. This is probably my favorite color in this whole palette. Again, it is pure vampire vibes, not something I would wear all the time, just because it's hard to keep in place, if that makes any sense. And when red travels, it can just look a little scary. And we're kind of going for that today, so it's okay. Look at that red. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Whew. So we're just building this color. I think I should also put that dark brown on my inner rim. I'll probably line my eyes with that. It's so beautiful. All right, so I got the color where I want it. I need to clean up around the eye. I'm gonna put that dark brown on the inner rim here. Again, I really would have rather done black. Maybe even a dark gray would have been fine. All right, let me clean that up, and I'm gonna do the other eye, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, we have cleaned up everything. I did a little bit of my brows, I did some mascara, and definitely cleaned around. It's already starting to, well, this is just my eyes, but it can get messy very easily and very quickly. So hopefully this is gonna stay. Let me zoom you out, and we will, actually, let's stay here. Let's do cheeks and lips, and then we will be done. I'm actually going to use the Essence blush in Bespoke. It's called The Blush. And we're gonna do a little blush draping. So I'm gonna start this kind of where that shadow ends on the bottom lash line and let it fade towards the nose. I've really been enjoying blush draping lately. And like I keep saying, I really just love blush. So again, starting that closest to the corner of the eye and then blending it upward around the temple and towards the nose. And then I'll blend that in with my powder brush as usual. And then I'm just gonna do a lip liner. I've had some aqua for my lips. Letting that sit, my lips have been very dry. So we're gonna tap that off. we're gonna take that off and then put on a little bit of liner. All right, I'm actually going to use the Wet n Wild lip liner in Chestnut, a very brown 90s color. Very close to the blush color. All right, I'm gonna brush my hair, I'm gonna blend this all together, and we're gonna zoom out. I'm wearing my I Got Your Back t-shirt. It's the best. Okay, so very warm and toasty, very vampire-like. Definitely not something I would wear every day, though I do love this color quite a bit. Would not wear it like this if I did wear it on a regular day. Reds, oranges, they look really good on all eye colors actually. They're just a little harder to wear. So I'll put a picture of what this looks like as my skin has kind of gelled together and in some natural light. And that's it, guys. Let me know what you think down below and let me know what you're gonna be for Halloween. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.